Essential water damage restoration tips for homeowners in Poughkeepsie. Water damage often stems from storms, plumbing failures, or malfunctioning appliances in homes. Quickly addressing water damage prevents mold, structural issues, and costly repairs. PuroClean offers 24/7 emergency services including assessment, cleanup, drying, and repairs. Utilizing advanced technology like moisture detectors ensures effective water damage restoration. Homeowners should maintain plumbing, clean gutters, and improve drainage to reduce risks. Contact PuroClean of Poughkeepsie today for expert water damage restoration services.